Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me, your host Aiza Freelancing Wali, and I am 11 months student at Hans School, Islamabad campus. So, viewers, this is my new Maya. New Maya topic is what are atoms and why are they the building blocks of everything? So, let's start today our Maya session. I'm calling the Maya. Wait, please.
Hey.
Okay, Maya. Hello. How are you? Can you hear me? Are you ready for my interview?
Yeah, I can hear you perfectly, and I'm ready when you are. What's our interview about today?
Today my topic is about atoms. What are atoms and why are they the building blocks of everything? So are you ready? Can I start the interview?
Absolutely, let's dive in. What do you want to start with?
Maya, my first question is from you. Please tell me what is an atom. Please give me answer.
An atom is the basic building block of all matter in the universe. Think of it like this. Everything you see around you, yourself, the chair you're sitting on, even the air you're breathing, it's all made up of these tiny particles called atoms. Atoms themselves are made of even smaller parts: protons, neutrons, and electrons. The protons and neutrons hang out in the center of the atom, which is called the nucleus, and the electrons orbit around the outside. Each element, like hydrogen, oxygen, gold, they all have a different number of protons, which makes them unique. They're unbelievably small. If you could line up a million atoms, they'd still be smaller than the period at the end of this sentence. Make sense so far?
Okay, so Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me what are atoms so important? Please give me answer. Maya, I'm waiting for your answer.
Got it. So you're asking what makes different kinds of atoms different. The important part there is actually the number of protons. Each atom has a number of protons in its nucleus. This number is what defines what element the atom is. Like hydrogen has 1 proton, oxygen has 8, and gold has 79. Scientists arrange them based on this number in what's called the periodic table. What's a little strange is some atoms can have the same number of protons but different numbers of neutrons. These are called isotopes. They're still the same element but have a slightly different mass. Does that clear up what makes atoms unique?
Okay, Maya. So my next question is from you. Please tell me, are atoms visible to the human eye? Please give me.
Hmm. That's a good question. No, atoms are way too small to see with the naked eye. I mean, like ridiculously small. If you tried to look at an atom, it would be like trying to see a grain of sand from a mile away. Even the most powerful optical microscopes can't see individual atoms directly. Scientists can see them using special microscopes that use electrons instead of light, like scanning tunneling microscopes or atomic force microscopes. But even then, they're not seeing the atom as we normally think of seeing something. It's more like mapping out the shape of the electron cloud around the nucleus.
Okay, so Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me, what are atoms made of? Please give me.
Hey, Srinivas from UPS. Thanks for letting me know. So, you're asking about what things are made of, like what materials are made from atoms? Basically, everything is wood, metal, plastic, even the uniform you're wearing. Different types of atoms combine to make molecules, which then build up everything around us. For example, water molecules are made of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom, H2O. Salt is made of sodium and chlorine atoms, combining. You take something like steel, that's mostly iron atoms, but with small amounts of other atoms mixed in to make it stronger and more durable. It's kind of wild to think everything comes back to these tiny building blocks, isn't it?
Okay, so Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me what is a proton. Please give me.
I'm not sure what you're asking with the quiz question. Could you rephrase that or give me more context? Are you asking about a air isn't just one thing. It's actually a mixture of different gases made up of atoms. The two main ones are nitrogen atoms, making up about 78% of the air, and oxygen atoms, making up around 21%. There are also smaller amounts of argon, carbon dioxide, and trace amounts of other gases. Each of those gases has its own atoms. Nitrogen is made of nitrogen atoms, oxygen is made of oxygen atoms, etc. So when you breathe in air, you're inhaling billions and billions of these tiny atomic particles with every breath.
As for your nice answer. So, Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me what is a neutron. Please give me an
Sorry, could you repeat your question? I didn't quite catch what you were asking. You said, what is in your tone? Was that supposed to be something else? Take your time. I'm here when you're ready for the next question. Okay, I'm waiting. Just let me know when you're ready with your next question, Srinivas.
Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me what is an electron. Please give me an
An electron is one of the three tiny particles that make up an atom, along with protons and neutrons. Electrons are much smaller than protons and neutrons. They carry a negative electric charge and orbit around the nucleus, which is the center of the atom. It's kind of like planets orbiting a sun, but on a much, much smaller scale. These electrons are responsible for chemical bonding, meaning how atoms connect with each other to form molecules. When atoms share or transfer electrons, that's what creates different types of compounds and makes different materials behave differently. Make sense?
next question is from you. Please tell me what are electrons found in an atom. Please give me an
I'm not totally clear on what you're asking with what are phones found in an atom. Are you asking about the smaller particles that make up protons and neutrons? Because protons and neutrons aren't fundamental particles themselves, they're actually made up of even smaller particles called quarks. There are a few different kinds of quarks, and these quarks are held together by something called gluons. So if you wanted to go all the way down, atoms are made of protons, neutrons, and electrons, and then protons and neutrons are made of quarks and gluons. Is that what you were curious about?
next question is from you. Please tell me what are protons located. Please give me an
I'm not quite understanding what you mean by what are protocols located. Can you rephrase that question or give me some more context? I'm happy to try and explain it when you clarify what you're asking about.
Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me what charge does a proton have? Please give me answer, Maya. I'm waiting for.
A proton has a positive electric charge. It's exactly the opposite charge of an electron, which has a negative charge. That positive and negative attraction between protons and electrons is what holds atoms together. This positive charge is what gives atoms their identity. The number of protons in an atom's nucleus determines what element it is.
Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me what charge does electron have? Please give
An electron has a negative electric charge. It's the opposite of a proton, which has a positive charge. This difference in charge is what allows atoms to bond together and create all the different substances around us. So negative electrons balance out the positive protons in the nucleus, keeping the atom stable.
My next question is from you. Please tell me, do neutrons have a charge? Please give me answer. I'm waiting for your
Go ahead, I'm ready for your next question. Just let me know when you're ready with the next one, Srinivas. I'm still here. I'm here whenever you're ready. No rush.
So, Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me why are atoms called building blocks? Please give me answer. I'm waiting for your answer.
Hey, Youngish. So you're asking why atoms are considered the building blocks of everything. And that's a great question. Think about it like Lego bricks. You can build tons of different things with the same Lego blocks just by putting them together in different ways. Atoms are kind of like that. They're the basic building blocks, and everything around us is just different combinations of atoms bonded together to create molecules, which then make up all the materials we see. Each atom has its unique properties, and how they combine determines the material's properties, like why water is a liquid while steel is solid. It's their small size, unique properties, and how they connect that makes them the fundamental pieces of the universe. I'm waiting when you're ready for another question, Youngish. Take your
Maya,
time.
my
I'm
next
still
question
here.
is from you. Please tell me what is the center of an atom called? Please.
Okay, that's a great question. The very center of an atom is called the nucleus. That's where you find the protons and neutrons hanging out together. Everything else about the atom, the electrons, orbits around the nucleus. The nucleus is a pretty tiny part of the whole atom, but it has almost all of the atom's mass packed into that small space.
That's great, Maya. My next question is from you. Please tell me how small is an atom? Please.
Atoms are unbelievably small, Osiris. If you lined up a million atoms side by side, the whole line would still only be about a millimeter wide. That's smaller than the width of a human hair. You'd need trillions and trillions of atoms to make something you can actually see with your naked eye. They're so small, we can't even see them. With regular microscopes, scientists need special equipment to even detect them indirectly.
Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me can atom move? And
I'm not sure what you mean by add a move. Could you explain what you're asking me to add or do?
Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me do all atoms look the same? Please give me a
Mm, I'm I'm not sure what you mean by take me to the all atoms look. Are you asking for visualization or a diagram of how atoms look? Unfortunately, I can't actually show you pictures or diagrams. I'm just a voice assistant, but I can describe them. Atoms are super small with a tiny central core called the nucleus made up of protons and neutrons. Then there are electrons orbiting around the outside, like planets around the sun. The arrangement of these protons, neutrons, and electrons is what gives each element its unique properties. Is that what you were looking for?
My next question is from you. Please tell me what is an element. Please.
An element is basically a pure substance that's made up of only one type of atom. Think of it like the basic ingredients. You can't break them down into anything simpler. Each element has a unique number of protons in its atoms. For example, hydrogen has only one proton, oxygen has 8, and gold has 79. There are about 118 known elements arranged on the periodic table, like hydrogen, oxygen, iron, carbon, and so on. Each element has unique properties based on the arrangement of atoms within it. Does that make sense? I'm
Yeah.
still here whenever you want to
You
ask.
please tell me how many elements exist. Please give me.
Talk to you later. I'm not sure what you're asking. Oh, sorry, I'm not clear what you're asking. Are you asking if I can provide answers to your questions? I can definitely give you answers about atoms and the topics you're asking about. That's what I'm here for. Just let me know what you want me to explain or discuss. I'm ready when you are.
Next question is from you. Please tell me, is oxygen made of atoms? Please give me answer. I am waiting for answer.
Yes, oxygen is absolutely made of atoms. Specifically, oxygen is made of oxygen atoms. One oxygen molecule, the one we breathe in air, is actually made up of two oxygen atoms bonded together. That's why we call it O2. Each individual oxygen atom has 8 protons in its nucleus, which makes it oxygen. Atoms are the building blocks of absolutely everything, including oxygen.
Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me, is water made of atoms? Please give me.
Yes, water is definitely made of atoms. Each water molecule, what we know as H2O, is made up of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom joined together. Each hydrogen atom has just 1 proton, while the oxygen has 8, like we talked about. The atoms arrange themselves in that very specific way, 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen, and create the water we drink every day. It's amazing to think something so simple can be made from these tiny building blocks, isn't it?
Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me, are humans made of atoms? Please.
I'm a little confused. Could you repeat that question? I didn't quite catch what you were asking about.
Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me, can atoms join together? Please give me.
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. Are always joining together to form molecules, which make up everything around us. They don't just float around on their own, they bond with other atoms. Atoms join together in different combinations depending on which elements they are and how many electrons they have. Some atoms share electrons, others transfer them. That's what creates different types of bonds in different compounds with different properties. It's this joining together that creates everything from water to plastic to your computer
Thomas Maya, please give me last advice to my audience and viewers.
screen. All right. My advice to your audience and viewers today is keep asking questions. The world is made of tiny, amazing things happening at levels we can't even directly see. But when you start exploring those building blocks, those atoms, it unlocks a whole new understanding of everything around us. It might seem complicated at first, but don't be afraid to dig deeper and stay curious. The more you learn, the more fascinating it becomes.
So much for your nice advice. So, because I'm ending this Maya, because time is over. So, we will this Maya. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.